You may have noticed it's been rather warm lately, which more or less makes it perfect convertible weather. So that's all good, except when you're sat in traffic, roof down, and you're roasting yourself in the 90-degree heat. But no matter, put the roof up and turn the air conditioning down. What do you mean the air conditioning isn't working? Yes, my air conditioning isn't working. I don't know why it's not working. It could be the condensers, it could be the pipes, it could be the pump. It's probably the condensers, but it's definitely blowing warm air, not cold, and it's no fun cooking in your own car. So before it gets too hot, I'm heading off to Pi Performance in Suffolk for a diagnosis and hopefully a remedy, and I will be going with the roof down. Welcome to Project 981. And we have a car on a ramp with the bumper off. Let's start around the front. Connor has done the spannering on this for me, and well, that's pretty much what you'd expect to see, isn't it, really? No sign of any gas, 17 grams left apparently, and I'm getting a good view in here. Pretty much what I was expecting, fairly damaged condensers on both sides. My car's got the oil radiation in the middle, which also looks like it's done a good job of collecting a whole load of detritus, excuse the background noise, and that's the other one. So yeah, next job is to get those out, I think, and see what's behind them. But we broke a clip, one of those little clips somewhere has gone spread. Here we are, look, so that's gone, failed coming out. We're going to put a new one of those in at some point, but that's not the end of the world. And then otherwise, here's the bumper, and that is, well, there's the underside of the bumper, so that doesn't look too, actually that's not quite nice, not too damaged on that lip. And the top, well, it's more a question of what's on the inside, isn't it, really? Let's have a little look. Background music. Yeah, it's all straightforward. Wheels off. So next job, condensers off, and then we'll see what's to do underneath there. Right, condensers coming off. We've got one off. Let's have a look at the other coming off now. The right hand one, as you can see. Fingers crossed, nothing too bad behind it. We'll find out. And these are quite clever because they sort of hinge out on here and here like a page opening in a book, which we're about to see, all being well. So two pipes loosened off, and so now let Connor do the final bit in the middle. Go, and then hopefully big reveal. Yeah, look at that. So that's the coolant radiator, and pleasingly lacking any road debris. And let's have a look at what's come off, which is definitely looking a little bit more warm. So that's where we've come from, and Connor has now got a brand new fresh condenser on sitting in front of the radiator, and that's been put back with new seals, bit of copper slip there, the old seals there, just out of an abundance of caution, which is great. And what we're also doing is having a go at fashioning some grills to prevent further damage. And here we go, look at that. Now this is a bit of a make it up as you go along effect. I bought some mesh, and Connor has worked his genius on fabricating that. Here's the other side. This is obviously the sort of the ducting for that, and you can see how we've just fitted it in. It's gone in really well around the corners. Body work, if you will, panel work, and that is looking superb. So that will then go back up on there, and then that's giving us that effect. And obviously the bumper then fits in front of that again, so it's set quite well back in the aperture, but still off the condenser itself. And we're going to have a go at doing the same on this oil cooler. There's a few more bits to come off. I think this rail has to come off here, but since the car is here and the bumper's off, we think Connor's had a look at the way this is sitting in here, and we think we can do the same. I say we, I'm doing nothing to do with this. I'm just filming it, but I think that we can get a third one in there. So, very encouraging progress. So Connor has done a fabulous job on the front oil radiator mount. Connor, just pull that away from me. Let's just have a look at that. Yeah, look, that's absolutely superb. Just sat nicely trimmed out here and sitting snug. There's a very helpful shoulder, which is exactly what we're using, and then we'll just tidy up the tops of those, which have gone in through there. So just pop that back a look in, and that's looking absolutely superb. And actually, you didn't need to take the bar off by the looks of it. No. No. Okay. So that's saved a few minutes of work. And we are making good progress. Well, the car is now back in one piece, which is to say the bumper's on, and the gas, and we've done a quick run of the aircon, and it's very definitely blowing cold. Now let's have a look at these. Look at that. Look at that. Super smart. And then the same on the centre. You didn't know, you wouldn't know. But that's more or less the best outcome I could have hoped for. So really chuffed with that. Great work from Connor. So final few bits and pieces to check over, but we have got working air conditioning. And on the assumption that nothing else is leaking, that should be the job done. So out in the bright sunshine, which will be the perfect test for the drive home, there is the car next to a 2.5 litre GTS in Gars Red. I had a couple of other things looked at too, a squeaky folding hood mechanism and a squeaky clutch pedal, which have both had a bit of silicone grease, so hopefully they're fine. But job done, grill's in place, gonna look forward to the drive home, and yeah, my thanks to Connor and to the team here at Pi Performance. Always a pleasure being here. I'll give you one little extra bit of footage on the way home just to confirm it's all blowing cold, but for now that's looking pretty good, and yeah, what a lovely sunny day it is too. And so heading home, final bit viewers, 33.5 degrees indicated on the multi-function display. Air conditioning is very definitely working, which is fabulous, and that's been a fun day at Pi too, including my new front radiator or condenser grills, which I'm really chuffed about. So as I head back in towards lovely Lavenham, that is it from me, which means it's time to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.